Hey, Royal over Shipa, and today I'm excited to announce our Shipa 1.7.0 release. Lots of great features, so let's go ahead and dig in. We have made significant enhancements to how you actually go about connecting a cluster and binding a cluster to Shipa. So actually, this is really straightforward now. All you have to do is provide a Kubernetes API endpoint, click generate command, and a magic link is available for you to run against your kubectl command. It couldn't be any simpler. Next step that we have is actually a one-click to deploy. So let's say I wanted to create a new application. So I'm going to go ahead and say hello world. Go ahead and select a particular Shipa team here. And I'm saying it's from a public repository. And let's go ahead and deploy this to a sample application. And now by simply clicking deploy, we're off to the races and deploying our application. With our application now deployed, our next major enhancement we made is actually how you go about authenticating to private Docker repositories and registries. Now with Shipa, you can actually pass your particular Docker config.json to bind with the framework. So now there's no need to go ahead and ship those particular user and tokens with every application deploy object. You can go ahead and set this one time and set and forget. This is a major enhancement for us. Another area of user pain was actually our license management. Previous to this version of Shipa, if you had to upgrade a license or actually apply a new license, you actually had to do that by your Helm install. Now, licenses are first-class citizens with Shipa. You can handle this via the Shipa CLI or even here in the UI. If you have a new license or a fresh install, you can go ahead and click upload a license. Another enhancement that we have, if you notice in the UI, there's now a filter item here. This is actually, you're able to filter on pretty much multiple dimensions of any Shipa object, but not only it's in frameworks, it's in applications, it's in clusters, it's in plans, it's in volumes. You get the drift. Now it's easier than ever to find a Shipa object that you need. And one more feature I want to highlight is actually now that you can install the Shipa CLI via Homebrew. I already have my Shipa CLI installed via Homebrew. It's going to tell me that. But with that, in a nutshell, that was all our new features in 1.0.0. Lots of fixes going in there, lots of ideas from the community and our customers. Hopefully, stay tuned and love to catch you using Shipa. Until next time, cheers, Robbie.